Welcome back to NK Car, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and exclusive details about the most stunning supercars from around the world. If you love powerful engines, futuristic designs, and cutting-edge technology, then you're in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the official unveiling of the all-new next-generation 2026 McLaren 720S, a car that has just redefined what a modern supercar should be. The McLaren 720S has always been one of the most iconic models in the brand's lineup, known for its blistering speed, aerodynamic precision, and unmistakable styling. But the 2026 model is not just a refresh. It's a bold leap forward that showcases McLaren's vision for the future of supercars. From its design language to its performance upgrades, everything about this car screams evolution. Let's begin with the exterior. McLaren has always focused on aerodynamic excellence, and the 2026 720S takes this to the next level. The car features sleeker, sharper body lines that channel airflow more efficiently than ever before. The new front fascia integrates an aggressive bumper with wider air intakes that not only look stunning, but also enhance cooling and downforce. The signature dihedral doors remain, but they now open with a smoother, more refined motion, adding an extra touch of futuristic drama every time you step inside. At the rear, the active spoiler has been redesigned to work seamlessly with the car's updated aerodynamic package, delivering optimal stability even at top speeds. Moving to the heart of the car, the performance figures are what truly make the 2026 McLaren 720S stand out. Under the hood lies an updated twin-turbocharged V8 engine that now produces an estimated 770 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful McLarens to date. The engineers have worked tirelessly to balance raw performance with efficiency, and the result is a supercar capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. The top speed has been reported to exceed 215 miles per hour, ensuring the 720S remains a force to be reckoned with on both road and track. The driving dynamics have also received a massive upgrade. McLaren has refined its proactive chassis control system, delivering sharper handling and more responsive feedback to the driver. Combined with lighter construction materials, including increased use of carbon fiber in the chassis and body panels, the 2026 720S feels even more agile and connected to the road. Every corner, every straight line, and every maneuver is now more thrilling and confidence-inspiring than ever before. Inside, McLaren has elevated the cabin experience to match the futuristic exterior. The interior blends luxury with racing DNA, featuring high-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. The new digital driver's display is fully customizable, offering real-time performance data, navigation, and connectivity options in a clean, minimalistic layout. The center console has been redesigned with a more intuitive touchscreen system, giving drivers seamless access to infotainment and vehicle settings. McLaren has also integrated the latest driver assistance features, proving that even in a supercar of this caliber, technology and convenience can coexist. Another significant leap forward is the introduction of hybrid assistance. While the 720S remains primarily powered by its roaring V8, McLaren has implemented a mild hybrid system to boost efficiency and deliver instant torque when needed. This move not only enhances performance but also aligns with McLaren's long-term commitment to sustainability in the supercar world. What truly sets the 2026 McLaren 720S apart is its ability to combine emotion with innovation. It's not just about speed. It's about creating an unforgettable experience every time you get behind the wheel. From its breathtaking looks to its groundbreaking technology and raw power, the new 720S is proof that McLaren continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. So, what are your thoughts on the all-new 2026 McLaren 720S? Do you think it's the perfect balance of tradition and future? Or has McLaren gone too far into the next generation of design? Share your opinions in the comments below because I'd love to hear what you think. That wraps up today's video on the 2026 McLaren 720S officially unveiled. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more exclusive content about the hottest cars in the world, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to NK Car, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.